Hi Kyle, it's Zurab here at Boss Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Porsche Cayenne. It has around 59,000 kilometers on it and the price is $54.88, including safety. We don't charge any extra fees. Here's the car proof, which is absolutely clean, and we do have a lien release as well. It was financed previously, so there was a lien registered, but it's cleared now. It's very rare, red on black interior, super clean. That's the mileage. It's pretty much loaded. Okay, look at this LED light here, the panoramic sunroof, and all kind of options, including heated seats, cooling seats, backup camera, GPS navigation, memory seats, adjustable seats. So here it goes. It's very clean. It has brand new tires on it. These are Toyos. The brakes were done as well. So everything is done on the vehicle. It is ready to go. If you have any question regarding this SUV, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. The vehicle being fully detailed. There are some fingerprints because a lot of people are touching it, but it's been ceramic coated as well. So it's really clean and nice unit. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.